皆さん、手話系にようこそ。今日はこれからカタカナを教えております。では、行きましょう。
Welcome everyone to the second week of classes. Well, this week we will be focusing on katakana. So first, let's start with the first katakana that we will be learning today. The first katakana follows the same pronunciation as the first hiragana. That is, the hiragana, or the katakana, a. A first starts with a horizontal line, and then a check mark at the side, and then, in the middle, you go vertically down with a slight slant to this direction. And this would be the katakana a. Once again, horizontal line, check mark, and then in the middle, you have a sloping downwards line. The next katakana on our list is the katakana I, similarly to the hiragana pronunciation I. First off, we start with a sloping line downwards, and then in the middle of that, you take a vertical line downwards. And this is the katakana I. Once again, downward sloping line, and then middle, take a vertical line. And this is the katakana I. Katakana U. Similarly to the pronunciation in hiragana, this is the katakana version. First off, you start with a tick mark on this part, on the top, followed by a slight line here, and then you do a horizontal line, and then you slope downwards, curving down. And this is the katakana U. U. Now you can either connect it to the top of this, or you cannot connect it. So for instance, you can always write it like this, connecting, or you can have it not connecting, and it still would be the same katakana. This is the katakana. The next katakana on the list today is the katakana E. E has the same pronunciation as the hiragana version. So first, we will write a horizontal line. In the middle of that, we do a vertical line, and then finally, the horizontal line on the bottom of this. Now I know what you're thinking, it looks exactly like the English letter I, which it is. So this is the katakana E. Once again, horizontal line, vertical line, horizontal line. And this is the katakana E. The next katakana on our list today is the katakana O. O starts with a horizontal line, followed by a vertical line downwards, check mark, and then at this point, at this corner, you go a downward sloping line. And this is the katakana O. The next katakana on our list today is the katakana Ka. Ka starts with a horizontal line, and then a vertical line downwards. End with a slight hook. At this point, you take a sloping downwards line. And this is the katakana Ka. The next katakana on our list today is the katakana Ki. Ki starts with two horizontal lines, and then a slanting downwards line. And this is the katakana Ki. Notice it's very similar to its hiragana counterpart. Horizontal lines, downward sloping line. This is the katakana Ki. The next katakana on our list today is the katakana Ku. Ku starts with a slopeward down line, followed by take a middle part, have a horizontal line. At this point, you slope back downwards. And this is the katakana Ku. Once again, first stroke, second stroke, and then sloping downwards. And this is the katakana ku. The next katakana on our list today is the katakana ke. Now ke looks very similar to ku. We will first start with a slopeward downward line. Take this middle part and make a horizontal line. Now, you do not make a sloping downwards line like you do in ku. Instead, you take this middle portion and then have a sloping downwards line here. So, first line, second line, and then the third line is in the middle, not on the end. And this is the katakana ke. Once again, first stroke, second stroke, third stroke from the middle. This is the katakana ke. The next katakana on our list today is the katakana ko. Ko looks very much like a backwards C. First, we start with a horizontal line, and then a vertical line, and then once again a horizontal line this direction. And this is the katakana ko. Notice once again, first line, second line, third line. And this is the katakana ko.